To me, rest sounds like
To me,
rest sounds like snoring.
It sounds like my heartbeat at a very slow, relaxed pace.
What rest sounds like to me is holistic wellness, so thinking about that I am a whole person.
sometimes it sounds like wind, because I can kind of sit and think and listen to what's around me.
A balmy Caribbean breeze blowing through palm trees.
It's the ability to sleep if you want to. It's the ability to go to the amusement park if you want to. It's just a release of all the weight that is on you.
Rest sounds like ocean waves crashing against the shore. Rest sounds like a deep sigh, a breath of release.